this is just 1 carrot and 1 Irish potato.
I look at you and it's easy to see you are that someone I've been trying to meet. I got your number, won't you pick up the phone? Don't leave me hanging on the dial tone. And in the pool, talk to you, dripping.
Guys, look at my face, look at my face, look at my face. So guys, what I rub on my face is so this is what I'm saying. This is the one I blended that I put in my fridge. I've used this for 2 times. So whenever I finish rubbing it on my face, I will put it back in this container and back in my fridge. So this is it. This is how it looks like. Very colorful. So this is it. It looks like a soap, but it's not soap, okay? Don't go and use it and bathe your body. It's not soap. So you rub it.
The sun was setting, it was
coldness is so calm.
In my hair and the sand.
So good.
Could have chosen anyone, but I choose you. Hop back in your car, top down. There's no stopping us, cause we own this town.
This country. I'm so sorry, guys. Here might not be as clear as it was before. They have taken the light. You know the country we are living. Enjoy the coldness. Just gently be rubbing it on your face. So by the time I finish using this one, I'll blend another one and put it in this same container and put in my fridge to block. I love doing this in the evening when I come back from work after the whole day stress, sun beating me, carrot and Irish potato. That's it. The way I'm feeling on my face now is so cool, so lovely. So guys, please give this a try, okay? Give it a try. You will enjoy it, you will like it. Just blend the carrots and Irish potato. So add the blended Irish potato and carrots in a smaller container. Put it in your freezer, let it block. So every evening when you come back from work, before or after having your bath in the evening, mixture on your face, okay? Enjoy the coldness. In fact, the way I am feeling now on my face is so lovely. This therapy is lovely. You will enjoy it, you know, once in a while, at least 3 times in a week. Apply cold thing on your face, especially for people like us that lives in a hot region. We need some cold things on our face, on our body. Sometimes you can decide to wash it off immediately after rubbing. You can let it sit on your face for like maybe 5 minutes, then just use ordinary water and rinse it off. That's all. So that is that. Tell me what you think about this. Try it, whatever the outcome is, anyhow you feel about it, you can come back here and tell me your own experience. For my experience is wonderful. I like the feeling I'm having. That is it. All right, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to like.
Could have chosen anyone, but I choose you. Hop back in your car, top down. There's no stopping us, cause we own this town. Never knew I could have such fun. Never thinking you would be my number one. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue. Never thinking you would be my number one.
I enjoyed every bit of it.
Jump in your car and we drive to the beach. The sun was setting, it was just you and me.